Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw fiat money from Nexo. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw fiat money from your Nexo account. The first thing to do is to open the Nexo mobile app, and if prompted, log in with your email address and password. After logging in, it's going to take you to the home screen. From this home screen, check the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple of icons including dashboard, wallet, markets, card, and exchange. Click on wallet and you'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. Now in here, you're going to have to select the fiat currency that you want to withdraw. For example, Euro, GBP, or let's say GBP. I want to withdraw that. Now it currently says I have zero holdings, so I do not have any amount here. But if you have a loaded balance and you have verified your identity, then you're definitely going to see the withdraw button option. Now click on the withdraw button. And once you click on that, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method. The common options include bank transfer, so SEPA for euros and SWIFT for USD/other currencies. Specify the amount of fiat currency you want to withdraw from your Nexo balance. You can either enter a custom amount or choose to withdraw the full balance by selecting max. Enter the necessary bank account details for the withdrawal. Ensure the information is correct to avoid delays or errors. For SEPA transfers, that's euros, you'll need the IBAN and BIC SWIFT code. For SWIFT transfers, that's USD or other currencies, provide your bank account number and any additional details required by your bank. Double check the withdrawal details, including amount and bank account information, and tap confirm to initiate the withdrawal. If you enabled two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app to confirm the transaction. Nexo will process your withdrawal, which may take 1 to 3 business days for SEPA bank transfers and 3 to 5 business days for SWIFT transfers. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the transactional history section of the app. Once the withdrawal is processed and the funds have been transferred, they will appear in your bank account. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn fiat money from your Nexo account. Make sure to provide accurate bank details to avoid delays or issues with the transaction. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.